Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss any of my tips and tricks. Today, I've got something truly exciting to share with you, a mind-blowing secret. I'm revealing an easy and super efficient way to get unlimited coins using this amazing Pocket FM hack. Before we dive in, let me just say this method is super user-friendly. It works on any mobile device, whether you're on iOS or Android. No need for jailbreaking, rooting, or even a computer. I've tested it personally, and trust me, it's completely hassle-free. As you can see, the resources were delivered straight to my account without any issues. Excited? Let's jump right into it. The first step is to locate your in-game user ID. This is a crucial piece of information you'll need to make the magic happen. Don't worry if you're unsure where to find it, I've got you covered. Here's how to find your user ID. Open the game, navigate to your profile section, and you'll see your user ID listed there. Take a moment to jot it down or copy it. Got it? Awesome. Let's move on to the next steps. Next up, open your favorite browser and navigate to this site. This is a goldmine of hacks for a variety of popular games and apps, but today we're focusing on Pocket FM Hack. Once you're on the site, use the search bar conveniently located at the top to find the hack for Pocket FM. Simply type in Pocket FM and click on the result to open the dedicated hack page. Now, here's where things get exciting. You'll need to enter a few details to proceed. First, select your platform. If you're using an iPhone, choose iOS. If you're on an Android device, pick Android. Next, input your username. This is the same user ID we located earlier. Make sure to double check your entry for accuracy. Once you're confident everything is correct, hit the proceed button. The tool will now begin connecting to the game servers. This process is completely secure, ensuring your account remains safe. It's fully automated, so there's no need to worry. Just sit back, relax, and let the tool do its magic. Once your username is successfully linked to the servers, you'll move on to the next step. Here's where the fun begins, selecting the amount of resources you want, then tap the proceed button to initiate the process. This step might take a minute or two, depending on your internet connection. During this time, you'll see the tool injecting the mod, configuring proxies, and implementing anti-ban measures. These steps ensure the process remains secure and that your account is completely safe from any risks. Just hang tight. Great rewards are worth the wait. The last step is super important. This step is necessary to confirm that you're a real player and not a bot. Don't worry, it's quick and straightforward. You'll need to complete a short task, like downloading an app or answering a quick survey. Follow the instructions carefully, and you'll be done in no time. If you're not sure how to complete the verification process, don't sweat it. The site includes a video tutorial to guide you step by step. Just follow the on-screen instructions and you'll be all set. Once you've completed the verification, the resources will be added to your account instantly. It's that simple. I've already completed this process myself, so I won't be doing it again here, but trust me, it's super easy and worth the effort. Now it's time to jump back into the app and check out the results. Just look at that My Coins balance is fully loaded. Now, I can enjoy the Pocket FM without ever worrying about running out of coins. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and share this video with your friends. Also, if you run into any issues or need extra help, drop your username in the comments below, and I'll do my best to assist you when I have time. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe for more awesome tips and tricks to enhance your mobile gaming experience. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy gaming, and I'll catch you in the next video.